I wasn't good enough. Dear Father, please forgive me, 'cause in your eyes I just never added up. In my heart I know I failed you, but you left me here alone. If I could hold back the rain, would you numb my pain? 'Cause I remember. Give it to me! If I can help you forget, please just take my regrets, 'cause I'll remember. Come on! I love you, Colorado. Give yourself a round of applause. Dear brother, please don't leave me, for never standing by you or being by your side. Dear sisters, please don't hate me. I only did what I thought was truly right. It's a long and lonely road when we know we want love. If I could hold back the rain, would you know my pain? 'Cause I'll remember what?